folks, today is a good day. Today is Sylosis Day. I've been waiting for this day actually for quite some time, because since we started doing reaction videos and video episodes, I was waiting for the day that Sylosis dropped new music, or in this case, a new music video of her previously released song. And today's the day, so obviously I had to wear my merch, right, and get ready, get into mood. The song is called Soured Ground, that was on their EP, The Path, that came out last year in October. Like a surprise drop. That EP is a banger EP. It's like only 5 songs, but damn, these songs, they kill everything in their path, literally. So we are checking out Soured Grounds, and I mean, I know the song, but with the boys, you never know what to expect. So I'm expecting Sylosis things. We shall start. Sylosis, Soured Grounds.
There are blisters on my tongue from biting it for so long. We inhale the darkness, dragged into hell for ransom. With devil on each shoulder, conscience in decline.
I love this song.
But now my hands are untied. Gonna rise the nerves. Who does my life serve? I just keep falling from grace, from decaying in this place. So now I carry my halo around my neck.
How can you not like Sylosis? I mean, Josh is just such a riff lord, you know.
Like predators that feed with dripping teeth, salivating at the thought of the perpetual agony. We just can't look away, but we're sanctified. And if the prey's already impaled, we want so we're satisfied.
Marshall and his windmills.
Gonna rise the nerves.
That's what you get.
My life serve.
Just keep falling from grace. Such a great song. And Josh's clean vocals are underrated as hell. They just write the tastiest riffs out there. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm not. Here we go. Josh Middleton, everyone. Enjoy. Perfection in every note. So again, a classic Sylosis video. I like it. so chunky. Come on, guys. By now, we can all agree. Or not even by now, I know it for very long. So, this was Sour Grounds. Sylosis just rips everything to parts and shreds. It's amazing. Again, it's not necessarily a new song. The song is from last year. But again, I highly suggest checking out The Path, because in like a big of like detail kind of a background, The Path is apparently a few or most of the songs got recorded while the Sign of Things to Come sessions, but did not make it on the record. And to be fair, these songs, and that's why they released it also, these songs are as good. Some I consider personally even would have fitted better on the record, but hey, that's just me. This Award, for example, is probably my favorite song on the EP. Again, Josh Middleton's, he is a damn crazy guitar player, riff master. He's so respected in the scene, but still very much underrated, to be fair. I don't understand it, though. And then we have, obviously, the title track, The Path. It's just Sylosis all the way. And I hope I get to do one of these reaction videos with some new Sylosis, like actually new stuff in the near future, because these boys are pretty busy and they deliver every freaking time. The reason why they released this music video today, out of all days, by the time I'm recording this, they announced that they will be doing their vinyl announcement for The Path. And obviously they're on tour as well. They tour throughout the summer, most festivals. I can't make it to any freaking show, but I hope I'll see them. I'll see them very soon. I saw them, I think it was back in early 2000s. They dropped. They came to Luxembourg as an opening band for the Black Dahlia murder. So that was insane. That was actually my first time seeing Sylosis, and I fell in love. So yeah, if you want some more Sylosis lore, ask me. I will definitely tell you more about it. And we shall see each other for the next reaction video. Check out this song. Check out Sylosis. Check out what we do, because we have way more to offer than just this video. And with that said, yeah, see you very soon. Cheers.